Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lansley Jamalski, and this is the capital of Berlin. Oh, yeah, no. Ang luwang. Ito, mall ito. Mall. Ayan.
Autobus turístico? No today?
We have our own.
You have one tour?
Yeah.
With this bus?
Yeah.
Not very good.
Yeah. Thank you.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
It's more expensive.
Oh, ang ganda. This is Union Square. So, dito lahat din nag-drop. Yung mga tourists. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Ito yung church.